All right, Scootopians, how are you? OhManDan here. Welcome to Scootopia. Today, I'm excited because I finally get a chance to share with you my safety light mod that I did on the Kaabo Wolf King. So this is my modded Kaabo Wolf King. And when I did the lights, I had a lot of issues with doing these lights. Installing the hardware wasn't difficult. I did that myself. But getting it wired and someone to wire it in, I had a person who was a joke, spent literally wasted almost 3 months of him not doing anything and giving me excuses. And so finally found someone else to get the wiring done, all right? And because it wasn't his full-time job, it took him a long time to get it done. But he got it done. So we have the headlamp, front-facing turn signals. We have a spotlight, okay? And all of the wires are run, to the back. Then we have this multi-switch, which of course comes from the Dualtron Storm, but it works well on this mod. All right, you do have to get modules that comes from Mini Motors USA. They send me the modules. Well, you have to pay for them, of course, but you'll get the modules that allow your turn signals to flash that you have to install under the hood. That's not my expertise, so I won't be talking about that. I'll just be showing you the actual mod. This is my external battery pack. All right, has a voltmeter. Okay, then inside we have a 12 volt lithium ion battery pack. All right, and you can find in the links, you'll find how to get the battery pack, what kind of bag this is, the lights, the rear turn signals. So now this scooter is equipped with front and rear turn signals, headlights, even a spotlight. Has an external battery pack so that it doesn't use the battery that is already on the scooter, so that I can maintain my range. Alrighty, so let's turn on the lights. Okay, so you notice that once you turn them on, your multi-switch, which is beautifully backlit, I love that, comes on, all right? And then, the tail light is on, all right? Of course, when you press the brakes, the brake light lights up, all right? When you turn on the signals are very bright, okay? And when you hit your headlights, which I have wired to that button, woo! I'm not gonna put it head on, and blind you, but the thing is very bright. Then you come over and you hit you hit your spotlight with it on. All right, let's turn off some light from here and see if we get a little darkness. Get a little darkness so we can kind of see the effects of this light. Bam. Very, very bright. Very bright. This is like pure dark. This would be the headlight. And then the spotlight. Headlight plus spotlight. That's it. All right. This is my Wolf King light mod. It's not very difficult. Find all the descriptions in the links below. I hope you you like this mod, and it's something that you might want to do to your scooter. If so, find the links below and have at it. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot to let you hear the horn. Yeah, so this button right here is for the horn. Goodness gracious alive. This is OhManDan. Say make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, comment in the comment section below, and you know me, I'll be glad to answer any questions. All right, it's OhManDan. I'm out.
You about to meet the man, OhManDan. Was about the mug to help mankind. Start a scooter club, I know you're fine, cause you're just like that. You bend over backwards to help a man. You strap up, you boot up, you throw on your colors. Get ready to hang, riding with the fellas. Yeah, on a glorious crusade, helping those in need. Now they got it made. West Coast scooter.